Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you watched the last vlog, we've literally just finished sheeting up and Ben's just put the muck spreader on that he's hiring to go and do a bit of muck spreading. Hey Harry. So we're just going to go and see what Ben's up to. And yeah, it might carry on for a day or two this vlog. I'm not really sure what else is going on. Oh, that cow looks a bit funny. It's led flat out. Anyway, if you haven't done already guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and let's crack on with the video. Oh, it's alright, Carl's jumped straight in. Leave him to it. Carl's trip. Whoa, Harry, come here. That works. Right, should we let's go and do some other bits and we'll come back. It was sink morning this morning where we sink all the cows up to come on heat and then we serve them. Anyway, we were also freeze branding this morning, so they've not been done, so Alex is just going to do a few now. So we'll go with her. Brownie. You do? Why? She's going to back out as well. Stay there, good girl. Good girl. Oh, them two look bullying. Oh, Christ, that was a big drop, love. Make it a bit easier. I know.
Saving it twice, I wanted to pick it off.
Oh. Double whammy. What have you put her to?
I've got Welsh black.
Oh, right.
And plus blue.
Have you tried? What's that? How many attempts have you done with it?
Only 3.
Oh, Right, it's not the end of the world then.
No, it's just I thought she wasn't calf because she hasn't been showing bulling signs.
Oh, right.
So obviously she weren't.
Little monkey. She's actually a Fletvick, isn't she?
She is.
Our brownie. Right, they make good calves, Fletvicks, don't they?
Are you bullying? Do you want to be served?
Have you many more?
Yeah, but there's that 700 and I'll never do it.
Oh, it's wild, that thing, isn't it?
Oh, will I? I'll do it next.
Maybe. Ooh, Dot, what have we got now? Woo! Where's your pen? Cute. Ben's not in the mood for vlogging. We're just getting a few calves out of the top building to take down to the bottom to serve them, just so they're not walking up and down all the time getting the straws out. Right, we're a couple of days after I last vlogged. That was Dan then, just taking the slurry tanker to Whitehall because they are ploughing and drilling this week. I'm not 100% sure what is actually going on yet, so I'm just going to go and find out. But yeah. So this is the field that we did maize with the other day that you'll have seen if you watched it. Dad's already ploughed most of it. It must be down that bottom end. And then Dan's just doing a bit of muck spreading, slurry spreading over there, where he hasn't quite ploughed yet. Not being very informative here, because I'm not actually sure what the crack is just yet. See where Dan's up to though in his slurrying. I am gonna stick tonight. I already had a bad start to the day. I got it's Monday morning, by the way. So I've got my nice new clean clothes on, ready for the week, and I got absolutely covered in cow muck this morning, so that was a great start to my week. But now to finish it off, I'm going to stink like slurry. Not to worry. Nothing new, I suppose. Let's see where. Oh, there's Dad. Is he ploughing? Yeah, Dad's ploughing. And Will's car's here as well. Oh, look at my little little. It's not little at all. But look where my marquee's going, by the way, guys. Every time I see it, I'm buzzing. It just looks so good. I'm well happy with that. Sheep will be on it this winter to keep it nice and what's your face, you know. Actually, as well, if I'm right, Dad's obviously ploughing. So Dan's slurrying it. Dad's then ploughing it straight in, and then I'm pretty sure he's putting wheat in this, which for my marquee, which by the way is my wedding marquee, our wedding marquee I should be saying, that means we're going to have wheat by the side of it, which is lovely. That's way nicer, because I thought we were going to have maize, and you normally like drill maize at the start of May, don't you? So if anything, we might have like little shoots, which should be a bit, you know, it's not the most picturesque. But no, I think we're actually going to have wheat, which is perfect. A lot nicer. I wonder if Dad's done that because the marquee's there, or it was already ready for rotation. Who knows? Right, here he is. Because we've slurried it, which will give the ground really, really good nutrition ready for the wheat to go in, which will give it a nice big head start into growth. Dad's tractor could look better, I'm not gonna lie. It looks a right mess, but anyway, all for the goodness of the growth. Poo or rain. Let's hope it's rain. Will is Freddie's dad. That's the easiest way to explain that one. Meg's partner. Everyone knows who Freddie is, so yeah. And Will has his own drainage sort of company. He does like jetting and stuff. And he's helping us out these couple of weeks because Richard's on holiday, so he's helping feed up in the morning, and he does our draining and that sort of thing as well. Anyway, I don't actually know what the crack is yet, but we'll find out. What are you doing? How are you in shorts? Freezing. No, Baltic. Oh, right.
There is a manhole somewhere.
So I don't know if you heard him or not, but the chopper got stuck here the other day. A bit of water stood here, as you can see. And he said there's a manhole somewhere around here, so he's just digging for it and seeing what the crack is. Looks dry under there. Right. Oh yeah? Is that what you were looking for? Why? What does that indicate?
The drain. When you put the drains in,
Yeah.
right back in there.
Yeah.
Well, up to now, when you put your drain in, you want soil to go back on top of your drain.
Right.
So that the water can get. Look at that. That's what you want. That's why it's wet.
Firing out. Why is it doing that?
It's just blocked.
Just because it's full of stuff.
Yeah, well, it's half full,
Yeah.
but it's
Not getting away
could
fast
be
enough.
a crushed tile or anything.
Right.
So what I'll do, I'll just dig this out a bit better and then go and get Jetta.
Is it here?
No, not yet.
Oh.
That's a good do. Your dad said, oh, I don't know if you'll find her. I've been rooting in there for 15 years.
Not a drainer though, is he? Right, Will's back now with his Jetta, so we'll go sort that drain out. Is that all it is at the end?
Yeah.
But I expected something else, I don't know why. Whoa.
Hi, you alright? You know roughly where that manhole is or not? You know where Nick got stuck with Chopper? Is it above that or below it?
Why have you stopped it now?
There's jetters that stopped there.
Oh, right.
Don't know if it's water going there.
No, I don't think so. Or is it?
Swirling thing.
Where?
Wait a minute.
Will reckons it's going. I'm not convinced yet. Oh yeah, I can see it swirling now. Ah yeah, it's going rapid now.
Got all that.
Oh yeah,
Fine.
silt. Yes. Filled the valley again. Bloody hell. Never tried it. Well, yeah, there is. Right, so he's done one way. Now he's going to fire it up the other way. Other way, rather. As you can tell, I haven't got a clue about draining. Learning a lot today. It's not going any further than that now. Fifth carp of the day for Bess. Don't worry, she's not eating them all. She'll be bunged up to her last. Is that it? Saying it's only gone 20 yard, which there might be a bit of a wet spot over there as well, so we might go and dig up over there too. So he's had a dig down there and he can't find anything. He's dug more that way, can't find anything more, so he's reckoning it's just that one drain boiling up. So yeah, Freddie's back from school and Megan and Harry over there. So I've just been editing that video to go live tonight, and I realised how short I cut it. So well, not short, but you know, the draining bit. He sorted the drain, he filled back in the holes, and Nick has seeded over it. So that was that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this vlog here now, guys. There's I've got lots more from just that day of drilling and all sorts, so I'm gonna make a new vlog of that. What an absolutely stunning day today is. And I've just come to feed the horses after milking. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's lots more coming, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Bye.